Great. So now I'm going to give you about 1 to 2 minutes to finish answering the question on your Explore sheet, the half sheet, looking at your triangle, and then answering the question. All right, eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. The white group has their eyes on me. The blue group is looking at me. One more time. Eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. The white group has their eyes on me. The blue group has their eyes on me. Yellow group. All right. So today we're talking about overlapping triangles and similarity. So question 1 on your Explorer sheet was, which triangles are similar to each other? So can any group tell me one pair that they found? Enrique? X and K. Does anybody agree? And A. Does anybody agree? Yeah. So Enrique, can you tell us why you think they're similar? So it dilates. One smaller is the larger version of the other. Another way to look at it is that they are congruent angles, and you can check that by moving it around. And they have proportional sides, and you can check that by dividing the corresponding sides. One more pair. Can another group tell me another pair that they found? Okay. Cameron said E and Q. D and Q. Can any other group converge? D and Q. Okay. How did you come up to this conclusion? So you made sure that the angles were congruent. You can check that by moving it around. And that the sides were proportional. And you check that by dividing.
I don't agree with that.
No. Don't agree with that. All right. What do these two groups say?
This one, the angles don't.
They're not congruent. So which pair is congruent? W? W and Q. Can you go ahead and check those?
Where's W?
And why do you think that makes it better than the other? Okay. So in W and Q, the angles are congruent. In the one before, they were missing by a couple of degrees. So when we're looking at similar triangles, we need to make sure that the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional. Okay. Went through. Okay. And then you you also answered that about dilation. All right, so today, eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. Great. So today we're solving missing lengths of overlapping triangles using proportional equations. We've already discussed what similarity means, that angles are congruent and that sides are proportional. When we're looking at overlapping triangles, we can see that the smaller figure will fit on top of the larger figure. If you have a question, raise your hand. Yeah.
So like, so you couldn't like split those two up? Do they have to be triangle? Because you know where that line is and it's in the quadrilateral. So you couldn't like split it up into a triangle.
What part looks like a quadrilateral? This part looks like a quadrilateral? Yeah? Alright, well when we're looking at this image, we're pretending that we have this green one and that the red one is coming inside. So when you have, can I get the one for A? So when you have these, it's the same thing, they're just overlapping. You're putting the smaller figure inside of the larger figure. And when you separate them, you know that they're similar, you know that the sides are proportional and the angles are congruent. And when you put them inside, it's the same thing. So this smaller one is congruent to the larger one. Alright, so now we're going to practice making proportional equations, which you learned with Mr. Mickens yesterday, using overlapping triangles.